Hello everyone. Today I'm going to take you with me as we do something really exciting. Something that I wait for all year. And that is photo shoot at the carnival. Please excuse my appearance right now. Something sinister is going on. I have this little braid in. I haven't decided if I want to like have my natural hair out for the photo shoot. But if I do, I want it to have like some texture, so I slept in a little braid so I look crazy. Every year my town has a carnival and we just like to go and have a photo shoot there. My mom is a photographer, so she takes my pictures, and my sister too sometimes, but this year she doesn't want to do it. This is for you if you're watching this. Just kidding, but yeah, I'm gonna be by myself today. I'm really excited. We've been doing this for like a few years. Last year I did something super cool and I wore my pink hair and I was a cool clown. Last year though, I will say, almost as soon as we got there and got out of the car, these guys drove by with like those like gel blaster guns or whatever and shot us like 1,000 times. So that really like made me upset and made me like sad and discouraged. But if anything happens like that this year, I'm really gonna try hard not to care. You know, it doesn't feel good when you get assaulted in public. That was last year. Hopefully this year is better. So I'm gonna show you guys my little outfit that I picked out last night. I was picking my outfit for like, I don't know, an hour and a half. And the one that I settled on is like the last one that I made. So yeah, I'm gonna show you. I feel good about it. The first piece is this Rainbow Dash bikini top that I'm freaking obsessed with. I got this on Poshmark last year. One thing about me, I love a swimsuit. I don't know if you can see this bag. That is full, like packed full of my swimsuits. I love swimsuits, and especially like funky and fun ones. So I love this one. And then on the bottom, these little blue like mini shorts with the strings on the side. I got these at a little thrift shop. They're just old Ocean Pacific, along with these tights because they're very short and I don't want to scare the children at the carnival. This top, which I freaking love this shirt. It is my black mesh jersey that's humongous. So this is kind of gonna like cover everything in a nice way, but you can still see Rainbow Dash in there, which is what I like. I love this. I got this at a thrift store like years ago and it's literally one of my favorite pieces ever. I'm gonna wear these striped socks that I cut to make like leggy warmers. I'm thinking my Osiris's. I'm really making an effort to wear these more because I love them and I've just been having trouble styling them. But yeah, I'm trying to wear them more. So that is my tentative outfit plan, along with accessories and hair and stuff like that. But the next thing I'm gonna do is test out my wig in case I want to wear a wig. I think I'm gonna keep up the tradition of wearing my bright ultra neon pink wig. So I'm gonna go get that and we're gonna test out some styles. So I'm kind of thinking if I can't get her to look right, I'm just gonna go with my natural hair because I recently dyed it. If you saw probably my last video, hopefully, is me dyeing my hair and I really like it. So I'm okay if I just have to do my natural hair. My plan is to do like 2 little buns and add like a bunch of accessories, but I've never tried to do that on this wig. I don't know, like I don't want any wefts to be showing in the back or anything, so I'm just gonna do like some trial and error right now. I really like this wig, but she has low-key been through it. She's just getting kind of, I don't know, frizzy looking, but I really love her. And this hair dye that I used on it is Eero like neon pink, I think, and I really love it. I would do it on my own hair if I wasn't scared of it absolutely never coming out. I kind of want to leave like some strands here to cover up the hairline, like this much. So my videos from the carnival last year, they like blew up because it was when the like "Is Somebody Gonna Match My Freak" song was trending. I don't know what it's called, I apologize, but I like abused that sound because I loved it. And yeah, my video freaking blew up and I was really excited about it. Maybe I'll just do like a pigtail for now. It's kind of cute, right? One thing though, when you put your wigs in a style, it can weigh it down like a lot, so it is like wanting to slip back. If you don't know, I don't like do anything to secure my wigs to my head other than the clips that it comes with, so I have never used like wig glue or anything like that that people usually use to secure their wigs. I don't really find it necessary for me because I only wear my wigs for like 30 minutes at a time usually. On days like this when I'm actually going out for a long time in the heat and stuff, like I kind of would like to have some extra security, you know? Okay, here's my little piggy tails. The real test though is how it looks from the back. I think it looks okay. I kind of wanted to curl like the whole thing. I had some curls just in the front because life hack, if you only make videos you can only curl the front bits of your hair and no one will see anything else. Obviously that's not gonna fly today, so I think I'm gonna throw some curls in here. That's kind of cute, right? I'm gonna try to be really brave today at the carnival and film in public. Fingers crossed. It's already super nerve-wracking and anxiety-inducing to be at the carnival and posing for pictures because it's just filled with teens, scary judgmental teens. But if I'm being honest, I don't really care about much. I don't know, I find it really easy to have like a lot of confidence. I know that might sound kind of bad, but I kind of just don't care what anyone else thinks of me. So I don't know, I do get very anxious, but once I'm there, once I'm like posing and doing my thing, I just don't really care. So I don't care what anyone thinks. And you kind of have to have that attitude when you're posting online a lot, as I do. You just cannot care, like you have got to have a thick skin. But filming and like talking in public, that's a whole other thing. I am still very anxious about that. I'm gonna try my best. We're conquering our fears today at the carnival, which is the happiest place in the world. And last year, although like the carnies and the workers, they loved our looks and they let us go on rides for free and they were like taking pictures with us. I'm trying to figure out the arrangement of these clips. I want to add some of my Cupid baby head clips. I keep wanting to say pins. I freaking love these little Cupid clips. I'll probably end up changing this a bit for tonight, but here's just like the vibes going on. The thing is though, I don't know what I'm gonna do for my makeup. I think I might just do like a semi-natural look. I'll probably do pink brows and like a ton of glitter because I love glitter for the carnival photo shoot. It's just totally the vibe. Halfway through getting ready, I just wanted to say I've been loving doing these pink eyebrows. Usually I do them and they just don't match my hair, but I like that. But yeah, I'm excited for them to match my hair today. I think I'm gonna go semi-plain on the eye makeup. I'm gonna do like a ton of glitter and I might do some like down-turned eyeliner. We'll see. Okay, I think this is the finished look. I added a ton of glitter, which I love. And then I always just put the extra like right here. I don't even know if it's gonna show in the pictures, but I don't know, I like to do it. And I decided to do no lashes, at least for now, because I like the way my eyes look with this eyeliner, and if I put it on lashes it kind of covers it up. But also I know I always regret it when I don't do lashes, but we'll see. I'll see how it looks with the hair in the outfit, but right now I'm feeling good with the no lashes. Look at this awesome spread of cuteness that we have going on. I'm gonna try my best to show you guys my outfit. You'll see it later if this doesn't work out. Here I am. At this point, I'm gonna try to hurry it up because it's currently 5:30 and the carnival opens at 6. And we usually like to be there like at sunset time. All right, so here is the finished look. I'm bringing my dad along to get some footage. I wore this necklace in our first carnival photo shoot. I'm a little bit low energy, but hopefully I'll feel better when we're there. So far, on this extremely short drive, my mom has killed a squirrel on the road. And shortly after I saw a naked child. So far it's going really badly. Something yucky always happens at the carnival. Well, we're here. And it doesn't really look like there's anyone around here that wants to shoot us, so it's already sort of better than last year. Acquired him. We got a guy.
Oh, okay.
Give me what they say. Scary camera on the Ferris wheel. It's a really taken about 1,000 pictures. I'm having a good time. My sister and my dad have left, unfortunately. There's a girl puking right there. I got this lemonade, and the guy let me go behind the counter to take some pictures. I told you the carnies love it. I don't really know why, but whatever. We're leaving now.
The tattoo shop? Gosh.
Shh, I'm doing ASMR.
ASMR, two girls fighting, punching each other with rings on.
Get Unready with me from the carnival. I think it was pretty successful. Hopefully the pictures turned out good, but there's no way to know. And still to this day, my mom has not edited the ones from last year, so who knows when I'll be seeing them. No offense, Mom. Oh, wait, I'm not even done. What did I think I was done? Best part. Bald mode.
She's bald.
She's bald. She's torturing people who have hair. This is what I would drop if I was in a video game.